like an old school Chevy. They don't make them like you no more, no more. Like a handwritten letter, you know you're worth much more. Girl, I adore. So original, girl, it ain't nothing that I wouldn't do. You know I'm feeling you, baby, you deserve a pedestal. Girl, I'm out my mind over you.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia Mesadieu, your guide to help you design the best version of you by looking and feeling your best. Happy New Year! Happy 2018, you guys. If I sound a little nasally, I am under the weather. So I'm going to try to get through this as fast as I can. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope that your new year has started off in such an amazing way. And I hope that you have like big visions and dreams and goals for this year. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a demonstration and a little bit of a mini review. I was sent a wonderful PR package or care package from the PR girls over from Creme of Nature. And what they did was send me the Creme of Nature coconut milk line. It's their new line. It has this beautiful orange packaging here. I think it's absolutely it's just so cute. It's like adorable packaging. I love it. Now I'm gonna tell you everything that they sent me. They sent me the Hydrating Curl Cream. I've got the 24-hour edge tamer. I've got the curl repair leave-in. I have the Moisture Curl Hair Milk. I've got the Essential 7 Treatment Oil. And I have the Curl Quench Foaming Mousse. And that is everything. Okay, so I did demonstrate this, so I'm pretty much used some of the products to achieve this look right here. Just a simple basic, my go-to twist and curl. This is typically when I'm trying out new products, I just stick to what I know so that I'm not placing too much blame on a product if the hair doesn't come out the way that I want to. I think sometimes it's about the product, but more so than anything it's about technique and your familiarity with just like how you do your hair normally. So if you can't help me achieve a twist and curl, then something is wrong. That's all I'm gonna say, because it's so basic to me, and I've been doing it for a long time. But this, I really liked how this came out. So let me just quickly jump into my favorites and actually what I used to achieve this. So I used the Moisture Curl Hair Milk. I also used the Hydrating Curl Cream. I used the Curl Repair Leave-In, and I used the Creme of Nature. Obviously it's all Creme of Nature, but then I used the Curl Quench Foaming Mousse. The products that I used, I like all four of them. I specifically like the Moisture Curl Hair Milk, and I really like the Curl Repair Leave-In. I am always looking for really good leave-ins because my hair thrives off of a good creamy thick custard like leave-in. I really feel like this came through for your girl because my hair was a little dry and I had to hydrate it, and then I added this and I really felt like this did the job. But then also it's a really good styling product, and I think that this was just really good and kind of helping me to detangle the hair. So I wet my hair and then I used this to kind of like comb out the coils in my hair so I could get more of like a defined twist out or perm rod twist and curl. And this really came through and enabling me to go ahead and detangle my hair. For the Curl Quench Foaming Mousse, this really gave a really good hold for the curls once I put the perm rods on. So you know how normally maybe you might use a gel for that ultra hold. This gives like a really nice soft hold. So I liked all four of the products that I used. Would I use them again? Absolutely. That is what I've got for like a little mini review. Now let's get into the demonstration of this hair tutorial. I think it's like cute. It was really defined at first, but in order to get more of that volume and that voluminous, big, fluffy, more look, I picked it out a little bit. I'm not major or big on like picking out the hair, but the curls were so defined that it wasn't giving me any volume at all. It was making my head look funny, and I can't go for that. No can do. I put the pedal to the metal, the comb to the kinks, and we went ahead and worked it out, and we got this big old voluminous, well, it's not as big as some of the girls be having, but it'll do for my taste. So that's that. Let's jump into the demonstration, and I will see you guys at the end of the video.
You can't
mini review in the beginning of this video. I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you guys get a chance to try these products, let me know how you feel about them in the comment section. Also, let me know how you feel about the whole turnout in general with, you know, just my whole demonstration. I hope you guys are having a blessed new year. I hope that this new year is the greatest of all for you. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. You guys rock. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Favorite, peace, and blessings. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.